welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss my January 31 day challenge. If you guys are interested, please stay tuned. I will be discussing everything that I am doing and going ahead and giving you all the recipes for any drinks that I'm going to be making. Alrighty, stay tuned. Okay guys, so today we are going to go over our January 31 day fitness challenge. I'm very excited about this. I've already kind of put things into motion over the past week, making sure that I am ready for the new year. I'm going to show you, so if you guys want to screenshot and follow along with me, I'm going to show you my journal so you guys are able to do that. And I'm just going to go ahead and discuss what it all says. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the Couch to 5K daily, and that is going to be fasted. So first thing when I wake up, on an empty stomach, all I did on the Google App Store is I typed in Couch to 5K. It is a little yellow app, and it's a person running, I believe, and it's Couch to 5K. I'm gonna waist train 6 to 8 hours daily. That is gonna be optional. I'll go ahead and show you guys the waist trainer I have and how I like to use it. I'm going to be doing the 20-day Blogilates 2020 challenge. If you guys are interested in that, please go head over to Blogilates channel. I'll link it down below with the link to the information for the 2020 challenge. I'm going to be doing a specific ab workout on a daily basis. I will also link that down below because she is amazing. I'm going to get as close to a gallon as I can. I'm gonna dance at least 3 times a week. I'm just gonna be doing dance routines off of YouTube choreography. Intermittent fasting daily. 16-8 is going to be my window of eating. 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours of eating. I use the app Zero to keep track of that. I'm going to challenge myself for the first 7 days of 2020 to be vegetarian. After that, I will only eat clean foods. Clean foods means it has one ingredient. A chicken breast that you buy from the store is going to be clean. There's one ingredient. Broccoli that you buy at the store, it is one ingredient when you look at the ingredients. Now, if you're buying chips, it's gonna have hydrogenated oil, different chemicals that you can't read. It's gonna have just a bunch of stuff that isn't healthy for you. So clean food is as minimal ingredients list as possible. Now you can get salsa. Salsa is gonna have tomatoes and onions and garlic. Now it's gonna have more ingredients, but it's gonna have ingredients that you know what they are and you understand that they're not some random chemical that you have never heard of. Another thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a 14-day smoothie challenge. Now, I'm still going to be eating food. I am not going to not eat food. What the smoothie is it is 1 liter of water, 1 whole cucumber, lemon, an inch of ginger. I use ground ginger, I'm bad, and a cup of pineapple. Now, for those ingredients, it makes 2 smoothies, one for the morning and one for the afternoon, or one for night before you go to bed. Throughout the day, you will still be eating food. You will be eating food. This is not a smoothie challenge where you're just drinking smoothies. No, you're still gonna be eating food. You're just going to be having the smoothie alongside everything else. It tastes really good, to be honest, and that's because of the pineapple. The pineapple makes it. I will put in the description, I will list out what it is. You can either make the 1 serving like I do, the half a serving, or you can make the 2 servings and keep the other one in the fridge until you're ready to drink it at night. You drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. You eat your regular meals, healthy, clean meals, or else it will not work. And then you drink 1 before bed. I try to drink it an hour before bed so I can still kind of digest it. Another thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be having apple cider vinegar every single morning on an empty stomach, and that really helps with digestion. So I'm going to show you guys my waist trainer. My waist trainer is from Luxe Curves. This is how I wear it. It goes down here. Now I wear it with a tank top underneath so it does not touch my skin. If it touches your skin, it could irritate it. So I wear it just like a spaghetti strap. And I wear it underneath, and then I just pull my pants over it and I put my shirt down, and you cannot tell that I'm wearing it, but it cinches in the waist like crazy. Now I'm going to be wearing this for 6 to 8 hours a day. I've waist trained in the past. I've actually gotten down to this last row here, and I was going to buy another one, and I had some health issues. I had to have emergency surgery for my appendix, and I gained a lot of weight back. So I'm starting from the beginning and trying to get back to that last row. I'll also kind of give you a few of my fitness goals for 2020 if you guys are interested. If not, you can go ahead and click out. You've already gotten the information for my January 2020 challenge. Okay, I'll also give you my measurements, because I'll give you my measurements on January 31st so we could see how much we've changed. All right, so I'm just gonna take a drink real quick. So, one goal is going to have a 27-inch waist. Now, I've gotten down to 26 before, and I was about at 124. My weight was about 124. My goal weight is 115, so I'm pretty sure I'll be able to surpass that, but I make realistic goals. I'm not gonna be like, I want a 25-inch waist, and I've never gotten down that low, so I know I can at least get to a 27-inch waist. So that's one of my goals. I'm going to be counting my macros every single day on MyFitnessPal. If you guys are interested in how to count your macros, how to calculate your macros, anything like that, let me know and I could do a video about that. I will be doing yoga and or meditation every single day for the first month of January, and I'm going to try to continue that throughout 2020. One of my goals by the end of the year, now this is very vain, but is to wear a crop top by the end of the year. I've never worn a crop top. I've never been confident enough to wear a crop top. So that is one of my goals. How I'm going to reach that goal is I'm going to work out consistently, diet consistently, and ab workouts daily. So then my measurements are going to be right down here. I took them on the 25th. That's when I started everything. I will retake them on the 31st. So my chest in a sports bra is 37 inches. My waist is 29 inches. My right bicep is 11 inches. My left bicep is 10.5 inches. My right thigh is 21.5 inches. My left thigh is 20 inches. My right calf is 13.5 inches, and my left calf is 13 inches. So I'm definitely right side dominant throughout my entire body. I'm about an 1.5 inches bigger throughout my entire right side of my body. So I'm gonna try to get a little evened out. I'm gonna isolate a couple of movements, trying to even my body out. I don't think it's very noticeable, so I'm not too worried about it. So yes. My goal weight by the end of January 31st, I'm going to put this out there. So I'm going to put it into the universe so I can create it and let it come towards me, let it come to me, is 128 or 130. That is my goal weight. Yeah, today I weighed in at 135.5. So that is at least a 5.5 loss or a 7.5 loss. So that is my goal, is either a 5.5 weight loss or a 7.5 weight loss. And this is my New Year's Eve makeup look that I decided to do. If you guys are interested, let me know and I will create a video on it. I had to get ready for work and I have to get ready for work after this, so I was in a huge rush, which is probably why I'm talking faster than normal and kind of rushing things, is because I don't want to be late to work. Yes, I work on New Year's Eve. I do get to close the store early, which makes me happy. So yes, if you guys want a video on me making this, it'll be a short video, maybe 2 minutes. Probably won't even be talking. I'll probably just list the ingredients, list the recipe, and show y'all it blending up. But I'm being real with you. It tastes bomb. Now, if you want to look it up, it's a pineapple and cucumber 14-day smoothie detox, I believe. Now, it claims that you can lose 30 pounds in 14 days. I do not believe this. Now, I've seen people on TikTok go through their journeys and they weigh in every day and they are losing crazy amounts of weight. Now, my body does not shed weight quickly. It doesn't. I am not expecting to lose 30 pounds. I'm not expecting to lose 15 pounds. I will be so happy, like I just said, to lose 5.5 to 7.5 pounds. If doing this helps, I will let you guys know and give you an update in 14 days before my 31-day challenge is over, if I see results. Now you guys will know I'm doing a lot of other stuff to also lose this weight, so I'm not gonna attribute all of it to the smoothie if I do lose weight. I'm going to be doing a lot of other stuff and I will be showing you guys exactly what I'm doing in the description bar, I swear. I want you guys to lose weight and I want to lose weight. I want us all to be successful for 2020. That is what I want. I want us to be successful and consistent. That is what we need for 2020. Consistency is key. Smoothie diets, yes, they're gonna help you lose that weight. They're gonna help you detox and shed water weight. To lose fat, you will still need to eat clean, eat healthy, and work out and be in a calorie deficit to lose weight, okay? Okay, if you guys have any questions, please list them down below. I am not a health professional, I am not a dietitian, I am not a personal trainer, but I am an inspiring personal trainer. In the future, when I have enough money, I would like to become a personal trainer. So I love helping people out, giving people tips, but this is just me sharing what I'm going to be doing for 2020 to help shed some weight and look good. If you guys are interested in watching more of these types of videos and watching me through my weight loss journey, let me know. I am very, very excited and very motivated throughout my entire journey. So I would love to go ahead and share some. I've already taken before pictures and I will take after pictures. And if I feel confident enough, I might make it the thumbnail. Probably won't put it in the video because I don't, that's too much. That's scary. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Happy New Year's. It is a new decade. It is a new year. And I hope you guys have a wonderful and safe holiday. Please don't drink and drive. Please be safe. Please watch over your friends. Make sure they're not drinking and driving. Just be safe. Happy New Year. Happy 2020. This is going to be up before, but happy 2020. This is going to be the last time that you guys are seeing me before the new year. Before I cut out here, thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I hit my goal of 200 subscribers before 2020. Thank you guys so much. I'm very, very pumped. I hope you guys are having an absolutely wonderful day. Happy New Year's. Have a great day. Bye.